Aiming for perfect 800 in ASCII math? Then watch this video till the end. In this video, I will show you how top scorer prepare step by step, so you can follow the same system and reach your dream score. So let's jump straight in. Getting 800 doesn't mean solving every question. It means solving every question you attempt correctly. Each section gives you room for one mistake at most. So the real goal isn't perfection, it's control. You must learn to recognize which questions are trap and which one you can solve instantly. The digital ASCII math has only 44 questions and more than 70% come from these 10 repeated concepts. If you master these 10, nothing can surprise you. If you don't, even an easy test can crush you. A painful truth is, most students know the formulas. They just lose points just for tiny repeated mistakes, like misreading a negative sign, forgetting to switch units, plugging values in wrong places, rushing without double checking the question wordings. These destroy your accuracy. If you just fix these habits, your score will jump 100 plus points instantly. So ask yourself, after every problem, ask yourself, where could I lose a point? Even if I know the answer. That's how top scorers think. Don't solve random problems. You need targeted practice. Here is how. Pick one topic like function, then solve 5 easy, 5 medium, 5 hard problems. After each one, write why you made that mistake, not just what the mistake was. That reflection step separates average scorers from perfect scorers. At first, focus on accuracy, not speed. Speed will come automatically when you stop hesitating. On the digital ASCII, timer scares most students. Top scorers handle it differently. They slow down for the first 5 questions, get them all correct, build momentum. Once confidence is high, everything else becomes easier. Use calculator wisely, not constantly. If you depend on it for every step, you will waste time for simple logic question. The night before your ASCII, don't study new material. Instead, review your mistake log. That's your gold mine. Sleep early, eat light, and during your test, breathe. Confidence comes from practice, not luck. If you are serious about getting perfect 800 in ASCII math, then don't stop here. In my next video, I will show you a perfect 7-day ASCII math study plan before the exam. It will save you losing those last few points.